Gluten sensitivity or intolerance is a condition that causes a person to react after ingesting gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. Symptoms vary widely and can include gastrointestinal problems, joint pain, fatigue, and depression. Celiac disease is a serious type of gluten intolerance. Classified as an autoimmune disorder, celiac disease causes damage to the small intestine. When those with the disease consume gluten, it initiates an abnormal immune response that directly attacks the intestines. Eventually, damage caused to the intestines significantly lessens the body's ability to properly absorb nutrients. Here are 7 signs of gluten intolerance. 1. Joint and muscle aches. The inflammatory effects spurred on by gluten intolerance are the underlying reason for joint and muscle pain. Joint pain and inflammation are common symptoms of gluten sensitivity, and research does show links between the two diseases. The Arthritis Foundation has also published findings that link arthritis and joint pain with gluten sensitivity. 2. Skin problems. Malabsorption properties of gluten intolerance affect a number of different areas of the body, including our largest organ. Gluten has been linked to acne, psoriasis, eczema, and dermatitis herpetiformis. Skin symptoms deriving from gluten intolerance often include burning, redness, rashes, itchiness, and even blistering. 3. Headaches and migraines. Migraines are often excruciatingly painful headaches that can even be debilitating. Strangely, migraines are far more common in gluten-intolerant people than in the general population. In one study of a gluten-sensitive group, 56% had chronic headaches or migraines. By comparison, just 14% of the control group reported chronic headaches or migraines. 4. Brain fog. Brain fog can be one of the most enigmatic symptoms, simply due to the fact that a number of things can cause it. However, it is a commonly cited symptom of people suffering from gluten intolerance and celiac disease. Neurosurgery and psychiatry researchers discovered abnormal reactivity to gluten in a class of antibodies known as immunoglobulin. It is believed that this reaction contributes to diminished cognitive performance. 5. Unexpected weight gain. The sudden, unexplainable weight gain is perplexing to many gluten-intolerant people. Generally, weight gain from gluten intolerance results from 2 things. 1. Malabsorption and gut permeability, and 2. Systemic inflammation, which is triggered by gluten. Gluten-intolerant individuals that eliminate gluten from their diet are often able to revert back to healthy weight level. 6. Abnormal immune function. IgA antibodies, when one is sensitive or intolerant to gluten, have a counteracting effect on the immune system. Found primarily in the gastrointestinal tract and saliva, IgA antibodies are the body's primary defense against colds, flus, and other illnesses. Obviously, when these same antibodies counteract our immune system, we're much more likely to contract such illnesses. 7. Dental problems. In a study published in BMS Gastroenterology, a link was discovered between gluten sensitivity and aphthous stomatitis, a condition often associated with recurrent mouth ulcers and canker sores. Furthermore, due to malabsorption, gluten-sensitive individuals frequently have very low levels of calcium, a very important substance for healthy teeth.